What's going on, people? Aye, you know who it is. You just know by the face, you know by the voice. Come on, how could you not know who it is? Yo, me just got to collect a Kia from Such, man. Man's in one Daihatsu Copen. I forgot to do the video when I grabbed the car because I was so excited. But yo, I'm back. I'm in this Daihatsu, get me, Copen, bad boy car. 0.6 turbocharged. Come on, where can you get any better than that? I even burning £1 to get to this destination. This car's like a go-kart. When I open the door, I'm probably about 30 centimeters off the ground. Oh, who's that over there? My man's lights are so bright, I can't even see. Oh, stop braking, man. Give yourself enough space between the car, you have to keep stopping. Back with the thing, just finished work. Just went and grabbed the car from Such, man. Get me. This car sounds beautiful. The only thing is very small, man. It's very small, fam. Like it's almost on the claustrophobic scale. You get me? Not any and everyone can jump in this bad boy car. This car coming like a MX-5. But other than that, I hope everyone's had a good New Year's. Yeah, this is the car. This packs a punch. Yo, I love this. Oh, this car is so dirty, bro. You don't even have to throttle it a lot for it to get that induction.
Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum sana. Senin için uykusuz kaldım geceleri. Tabii ya, verdi. Du bist meine verdi. Wachsen unsere Wurzeln dann zusammen. Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum.
Yeah, what's going on, people? So like, my face is literally next to the camera. That's how tight this bloody car is.
Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum sana. Senin için uykusuz kaldım geceleri. Tabii ya, verdi. Du bist meine verdi. Wachsen unsere Wurzeln dann zusammen. Bir de gelmiş diyor ki helal etmiyorum sana.
Yeah, it revs out to 8,000. So 5-speed gearbox. It's a 0.6 litre. It's not even a litre with a turbo. Cabriolet, heated seats from a Porsche Carrera. Cayman, I was supposed to say. It's pretty small, smaller than a Ford Fiesta, bit bigger than a Fiat Abarth lengthwise from wheel to wheel, but yeah, not really the name of it. I was really like, wow, I know about this local Wisma built. I feel like that's mainly from the fucking induction noises. I feel that's definitely the induction noises. It's definitely the induction noise. But one thing I'll show you, a car like this here, a car like this is defo good for around town, or not really. I wouldn't really say it's a motorway car, because like, me personally, I would never drive anything under a 1.4 on the motorway. I have before, and I just won't make that mistake again. So yeah, this is pretty much the wagon, you get me? Yo, this is the wagon. The wags.